All right, what's up, everybody? I'm back with another Tool Deals video, and today we have a couple deals, but mainly we're here to talk about the holiday sales at Home Depot. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So, first up, we have this DeWalt 30-piece impact set. Now, let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit so you guys can see what bits come in this set. I believe there was an adapter in there somewhere. Nope, no adapter. So you're just getting an impact set. It's nothing to really write home about because you don't have that adapter there to take sockets, and then this will double as an impact wrench. So it's straight up impact driver kit. Nice little case there, 30 pieces. Uh, Usually the pieces over here, the bits, these are all magnetic, and there you go. Nothing to write home about, but 1347, pretty good deal there. Now let's go ahead and zoom out. Go over to the next thing. Right here. So if you guys recall, not that long ago, maybe last week, I released. Oh shoot! I just realized I ain't released it at all. I haven't even edited that thing. So anyway, I filmed, which should come out this week, a video outlining and comparing all of the compact impact wrenches. So I compare all the Milwaukee's, the Metabo HPT, the Makita, and I kind of talk about this DeWalt because I didn't have it in the lineup. But I will say that this does not feel that good in your hand, and it does produce the most beans, 300 foot-pounds fastening, 450 foot-pounds loosening, so they claim anyway. But DeWalt does a decent job lately with matching up to their claims. So this is the most powerful. The Makita comes in second at 430 foot-pounds loosening, but only 250 foot-pounds fastening, which is still very respectable for a compact impact wrench. But this is much smaller than the Makita. This is Milwaukee M12 size right here. And it just doesn't feel that good in your hand compared to other DeWalt tools like the 12 volt line. Oh my gosh, they feel so good in your hand, the DeWalt's. So good. But this one, actually quite reminds me of the Milwaukee M18. They're actually quite identical now that I really look at it. Think about it. Yeah, it's like basically the same tool, except there's a little tilt going on here in the head, and that's really reflective of the Milwaukee M12 stubby. So this is like an M18 M12 stubby had a baby, and there you go. I don't really like the way it handles, but it is quite powerful. Moving on to the good stuff. It's the holiday season at Home Depot was setting up. Now, first of all, we're not going to talk about the dates, but let's just look at what we have going on here. So we're going to spend a little time on this. So we do have the M12 fuel combo over here, hammer drill, impact driver. Let's start with all the Milwaukee stuff. I don't know what this is. What is that? I don't know. I don't know what this box is right here. Because those people, they were looking at me like, "Can I help you, sir? Can I help you? Can I help you? What you doing walking around here?" They ain't say what you doing walking around here, but are you lost? You looking for something? They ain't want me like snooping. So why does this not look like it says? It says Black Friday. Black Friday. Friday. Okay. So these are the Black Friday sales right here. 270 piece mechanic set. And by this orange and black, we know this is probably Husky. The interesting thing about this 278 or 79 piece set is that if you look over here, we got a 290 piece set going on. And I'm pretty positive one of these is going to be $99. So if you're looking for a mechanic set, wait. Just really wait till next week, because as you can see, this gift center 10/24/22, it's coming. So what's today? Today is the 19th. Oh, he's talking about 5 days. Wait a week and we're gonna get some new deals. Okay, so we have these Black Friday 279 piece right there. That's the one that's gonna probably be $99. And and this right here should be like 119, maybe 129. I don't know. Hopefully those prices are accurate. That's where they've been in the past, but inflation. So now let's look at the Milwaukee wall. We have a two 5 amp hour battery kit with a rapid charger. We have the new Gen 4 impact driver and hammer drill kit. So it's going to probably be the same thing as last year. You buy this, you get one or two of these things free. Now, last year, I think it was, yeah, I think Milwaukee was being super stingy, and you bought one and got one free. But DeWalt, on the other hand, they was like buy one, get three things free. And Makita all the way down here, which was last year, Makita was always to the left. Then it was, I think, DeWalt in the middle, and then Milwaukee over to the right. This was like buy one, get two tools free. So ironically, nobody really fooled the Makita like that, but the DeWalt and DeWalt was selling out like hotcakes, and everybody was just hacking all the Milwaukee stuff. So this year they do have some more tools on the lineup that are pretty good. They have this Surge Fuel Impact Driver, which is good. You have the Jigsaw Fuel Jigsaw. You got a Fuel M18 Hacksaw, and you guys got to remember, like last year, what happened. October had kind of like the best combos, and then they took some of the tools out of the lineup and replaced them with like non-fuel variants. Well, no, it was mostly all fuel stuff. It was just not as good tools. So when you see something that you like, go ahead and grab it. You have the inflator, the new M18 inflator. You have this non-fuel oscillating tool. You have a router. You have a fuel circular saw. I can't tell whether that's a 7 1/4 or not. It looks like it's probably a 6 1/2, but I don't know. Then you have at the bottom, you have this, and this probably might be one that goes in and out, maybe, or probably this inflator. But you have the pack out fuel vacuum, and at least that's what it looks like to me. And then you have this little rover light there. That's going to probably stay in the lineup for a while. I think probably the Surge will drop out pretty quick. That's what I'm thinking. I think the Surge is not going to last in there long. Unless they have a new one coming out, then it'll probably stay in there, but this might come and go. And even with DeWalt, they like added stuff later on. Then you see you have this circular saw, which is going to be part of probably, they did have their non-fuel kit last year as well. That might be a part of that whole bundle. And you got this little bundle here, which looks like it's an impact wrench and the right angle brushed ratchet. So that's going to be a nice little kit there. That might be like 119, maybe 129, maybe $99. That's $99. That's an incredible deal right there. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about DeWalt now. So DeWalt, we see the same thing. We have this battery kit is a little different though, because it seems to be a 4 or 5 amp hour battery with a 2 amp hour battery, maybe. I don't know. The batteries are not the same size. Or maybe, that's what it looks like. It looks like this is a 6 and a 4, or maybe a 5 and a 4. Because I remember last year, everyone basically gave you 10 amp hours of battery free. So this might be a 6 and a 4, and these are both fives. And Ryobi had that thing last year too. I ain't talk about that at all. It just didn't make sense. It was basically the same price as the Milwaukee stuff once you got your hacks and all that going. And the DeWalt was just the best thing smoking. But you have your orbital sander. You have a cutoff tool this year. You have a router. You have a 60-volt flex battery to choose from. Um, I did not get what that was, but you also have this atomic kit right here, which seems to be pretty awesome. You have your one-handed reciprocating saw. You have an oscillating tool, and it looks like you have an impact driver. I'm sure it's not a drill, but it looks like you have an impact driver and maybe another little tool right here. I can't see behind that sticker. Two batteries, a charger, and a case. I mean, obviously, right now it's saying four something. These all have their prices, but these are going to be erased. This is not. Don't pay attention to those prices, and don't be crazy enough to buy them now. And of course, you have your Makita stuff. I see a circular saw, and of course, they're going to likely have the same Hammer drill, impact driver. I can't tell what this is for DeWalt. Might be the same thing there. So are we missing anything else here? No, we are not. Let's go on to the next picture. So here's another little kit they have going on. They also have little accessories like gloves and stuff that you can buy right now. I just bought some yesterday. Mine have holes in them. My Milwaukee winter gloves, level 1 cut. I got some level 1s and some level 3s yesterday, but those things are amazing. All right, so you have again this non-fuel oscillating tool, which comes in a kit. So you get one battery, which is a 1.5 amp hour battery. Ugh. Oh, this thing will probably be $99 for sure. 1.5 amp hour battery, a nice charger though. You get the dual charger and you get a contractor bag. This should be $99. This should be $99. I feel like for $99 is a pretty good deal. All right, let's move on. And this is it. This is probably the last picture, I think. And this was just to show you guys what day this was all going to kick off. So, TTI model right here. Let's read, see what it is. 18 volt compact brushless drill driver kit. 1/2 inch drill driver kit. So there you go. TTI model. That's probably, yeah, subcompact brushless. All right, now if I had to guess, this would probably be something from Ridgid though, because for some odd reason, Home Depot, they just be doing Ridgid stuff in a racetrack. Usually, that's usually how it goes. Ryobi gets a wall, Milwaukee gets a wall, but Ridgid stuff just be like in the aisle. So let's see. I looked it up. Sure enough, this is looking to be Ridgid. I also thought it was Ridgid or Ryobi because of the R up front. But again, Ryobi has their own wall, and we see this is supposed to be positioned in the racetrack. So that is Ridgid right there. So anyway, what we have going on here? This is supposed to be October 15th, which has passed, but they behind. This is still on pallets. We don't know what that is. We could look up these SKUs, but that's it. So that's all I wanted to show you guys today. Be prepared for those deals. If I were y'all, I would wait till, I believe, what is, so yeah, so the 24th is Monday. So I would wait till Monday if I were y'all to buy tools unless you absolutely needed something today. That's what I'd do. So hopefully this video was helpful. I'm going to probably add some more little tool deals that I see because there are some little deals out there I wanted to tell you guys about today. And yeah, hope it was helpful. See you guys next time.